personally didn't find the actions of the people around me to be very inspiring. And as a result, I left the Christian faith and have found inspiration in the consistency and the dedication of the Muslim people. I think the structure and the guidance that's provided by the Quran is excellent and has made an immediate impact on my life. And I'm very thankful to be here.
MashaAllah, MashaAllah. Yani, this is, the choice of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to you. I always say that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala chooses the people. He did not guide himself. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has seen something in his heart. This matter was looking for the truth. He was looking in a way or another. And maybe he didn't know what, he didn't know how. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala knows his heart. And that is why he has guided him to this path. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless him. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala enlighten his heart and his path to him. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala loves you. And that is why he has taken you to this path. So it's a great responsibility from now, inshallah, to be a good person, to be a good Muslim, deal with the people in a proper way, to be a good image to Islam and to non-Muslims even. Because sometimes actions speak rather than words. And mashallah, I see the light in your face. And also now, mashallah, we're in the month of Ramadan, in the last 10 days of Ramadan. These are very, very blessed moments and days, inshallah. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make this a good start for your life. And would you say after me? Say Bismillah.
Bismillah.
Ashhadu
Ashhadu
an la
illa
ilaha illa Allah
illallah
wahdahu
wahdahu
la sharika
la sharika
lah
lahu
wa ashhadu
wa ashhadu
anna
anna
Muhammadan
Muhammadan
abduhu
abduhu
wa rasuluhu
wa rasuluhu
wa anna
wa anna
Isa
Isa
abduhu
abduhu
wa rasuluhu
wa rasuluhu
wa bari'tu
wa bari'tu
min kulli
min kulli
dinin
dinin
yukhalif
yukhalif
dina
din
al-Islam
al-Islam
wallahu
wallahu
ala
ala
ma aqulu
ma akhunu
شهيد.
شهيد.
ما شاء الله، ما شاء الله.
الله أكبر. الصلاة والسلام يا رب العالمين.
Shake hands to your brother.
جزاك الله خير.